First, let's open up After Effects CC and import a video. Click on Create Composition. Go to Composition. Add to Adobe Media Encoder CC. You will get these two errors. It's okay. Save your After Effects project, and close it. Open up Adobe Creative Cloud. Find Media Encoder CC and install it. It may take a little while. Reopen your saved After Effects project. Again, go to Composition, add to Adobe Media Encoder CC. Under Preset, select your video format. The saved file will be in MP4. Click it to configure resolution, quality, etc. Under Output File, click to select where to save. Click the green arrow to start rendering it to MP4. Let's check it. All done. Please subscribe.